Every sip of Leonista tells a story. Like the powerful lions of our land, our courageous agave spirit is rooted in Africa. This African spirit is produced following an ancient Mexican recipe perfected over hundreds of years using earth, fire, smoke, and water. In Mexico, the spirit is called Mezcal. Here, we call the elixir Leonista, 100% Karoo Agave spirit. Now, respecting that traditional process inherited from the maestro distillers, the plants are processed in the authentic way, but with our own uniquely African touch. First, we reach into the heart of the agave plant, patiently waiting in the Karoo, maturing and storing energy for over 12 years, ready to be released. Cut by African hands, these hearts are immersed in a furnace for no less than 48 hours, absorbing the ancestral smoke and fire. This is where the spirit gets the distinctive but beautiful smoky flavor, similar to that of a mezcal. Now, once softened, the caramelized pinas are crushed under a stone wheel, where all the natural African earthy flavor is extracted into a mash. Respecting the fermentation process, and only at the perfect time, is the lively mash distilled, using copper stills to produce the purest form of African agave spirit. Leonista, 100% Karoo Agave. Awaken the line within. Drink with respect.